used to chase the thunder, used to ride the storm, kept myself on fire just to keep me warm. But lately I've been changing, shifting in the wind. I cut the cord on trouble and I don't let it back in. I choose a little peace now over all that drama noise. I'm putting down the battle, putting down the toys. Oh, they say that iron sharpens iron and storm will break the bone, but the strongest kind of heart is the one that stands alone. Yeah, I'm okay with empty rooms, I don't need a crowd. I used to love the shouting, but I like the silence now. I forgive the devil, but I don't let him stay. I learned the art of walking the other way. Don't need to paint my stories on a glowing screen. Some things are best kept quiet, some things are best unseen. And though it's just a word, babe, it rolls right off my tongue. I ain't got time to waste on being forever young. No, they say that iron sharpens iron and stone will break the bone, but the strongest kind of heart is the one that stands alone. Yeah, I'm okay with empty rooms, I don't need a crowd. I used to love the shouting, but I like the silence now. I've been like a willow, but I never break my roots. I change a little color, but I stick to my own truth. When the world goes crazy, I just watch it spin. And when I'm hurting, darling, I do my healing from within. Yeah. Yeah, the scars are strictly private, the drama's out of town. Just pour me simple water, 'cause I like the silence now.